Hey guys, thank you for joining Coinsider today. Today we have another quick charts presentation. It's May 20th, 11 p.m. New York time, and it's been a few days, but we have been upgrading the reports. Today we have a nice colorful report with 3 analysts all in one page showing you major price action. So before I jump into the quick charts, if you're not familiar with quick charts, what we do is we take the top analysts and we bring them all in one page in one report for you to save you time and research, and hopefully you won't miss that next major price move in Bitcoin. Also, if you're not familiar with quick charts, we have a demo video. Please see the link in the description to follow along how to look on with the quick charts. Alright, so let's jump into the chart. We have two sections today. We have the quick charts, which is here. We're going to go over the analysts and the major price points. And then we have the candle charts, which is the actual analysts' charts that they did themselves, and we're going to review that in detail. Okay, so let's just start with the quick charts. Each color represents one analyst. We have 3 analysts. The blue color represents Nasir Jones. He has a Financial Freedom YouTube channel, and the red color represents JD Marshall. He's also on YouTube, and the green color represents Alicio Rastani. He's also on YouTube. So with the blue color here, we have a few major prices to look for. The 93.60 is a major price point because there's a lot of volume in that area. If we go all the way up there and do not break through that, the chances that we continue going down are very high. But if we break through that 93.60, then we could see more bullish action to 10,000 or even further than that. More details we're going to go over below. Then we have the next analyst. We have JD in the red, so 91.77 is a major price point to look for. If we break through that, we will go higher, most likely, possibly up to 10K. And if we don't break through 91.77, then we'll probably go lower and have bearish action, possibly testing a line that he drew below, which could hit about the 7,000 area. And then we have Liso in green, where he mentions that this 7710 is a 61.8% Fibonacci line. If we stay above it, we could see more bullish action all the way up to 9700, which is a major resistance. But if we fall below 7710, then we could see bearish action all the way down to 6410, which we could see a bounce because there's a lot of price action here as well. So those are the 3 analysts. Again, each color represents each analyst and just different paths that it can take. Now let's go to the next section, which is the analyst candle charts, which they drew themselves. So the first one is from Nasir. He is long-term bearish, where he believes that we still need to finish a correction downwards, down to about $2,500. And he sees 2 scenarios where this could be the final top at 10,000 before heading down, or we could still make another move up to this C right here, which is about 11,500, or even make a move up to 10,000 to double top here before going down. But if this 10,000 here, this X is the final move, then we're probably going to be looking to go 5 waves down, and this number 2 is where we're heading right now. As I mentioned above, that 93.60 price point would be around this 2, this green square right here. We don't know where we're going to land, but if we get resistance, then this is probably a 2. If we break through this and this 93.60, then we may go higher to finish this C here, or anywhere in this area right here before going down. Alright, then we have Alicio, where Alicio believes that this blue line right here with the red arrows is 61.8 Fibonacci. As long as we're above it, we're going to be bullish. If we fall below it, then we're going to be bearish. And I already mentioned the 2 price points to look out for, which is 9700 zone, where we'd face a lot of resistance and the bears could take over, or the 6400, where this is actually the 6550 to the 6400 zone, where the bulls could take over. We could see a nice bounce off that area. And again, he mentioned here, close below 61.8%. Fibonacci increases the risk of a move down. And then we have JD Marshall, where he believes that we need to break this orange line here, which is 91.77, before we see more bullish action. And if we do break the 91.77, we could test this $10,000. But if we don't break this 91.77, then we should be bearish, and we could go down to this green line right here, which is around the $6,800 to $7,000 price point. So that is for it for quick charts today. We went over 3 analysts. We've created 1 chart so you can take a look at the major price action and very important key zones that they mentioned that we may be having. And also the analysts' opinions is just their opinions. It's not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence if you're investing, as there's always risk of losing money. So thanks for joining Quick Charts again today. It's May 20th, about 11 p.m. New York time, and we look forward to seeing you in the next Quick Charts presentation. See you soon and have a great night.